started. My 4-cylinder cooling mod finally shipped. Ordered it like a month ago. So is this, which one's the left and which one's the right? Right hand? Ah, left hand. These are the fronts. Left hand. I guess I'll switch over to the GoPro now. Oh God. Alright, at least they're in the street. Oh. Okay, I took those out. Whew. Thought they were stolen. Sorry if the video quality isn't that good. I'm still getting used to having a camera on my forehead. Okay, start with these. Aha. That wasn't too bad. Go ahead and take off this ABS line. There we go. You're probably just getting a nice view of my fender, and I'm sorry. There we go. These 12s? Yes. Alright. This thing's crushed. Okay, I dropped a bolt down here. Where did it go? Did it fall all the way through? And it does not appear to have done that. So I have two. Take the control arm out now. Yeah, there's some stress marks right there. And there's the bend right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. These guys 19s as well. Oh, the plastic cover. And what is the point of this? So I got this side all bolted together. 2004 STI strut in, as well as the control arm. I left the sway bar undone because I'm going to change that out. But yeah, I kind of got in the zone, so I didn't bother filming too much. Now, since I have struts for every side, I'm going to work on the back. It's probably a terrible angle. Kind of is. Maybe that. Sure, that is sketchy. Left side. I just realized you can't even see me. Okay. You have to muscle this one. What am I doing? I'm not in the Stone Ages anymore. A lot better than what it used to be. Look at this one. You can't see, can you? Now you can. Now to do the other side. All right, now this one will be right here, right? Did it get a little darker? You know, probably. It only took about an hour. Now I'm gonna work on getting that sway bar out of there. You can see it's detached right there. And then I left it detached on this side as well. I've got a blue one, I think it's Cusco, sitting over there with the broken suspension, and it's not doing its, there it is, there's the blue one. So I'm gonna work on getting that one out, and I will show you once it's in if I can get it in.